Sources tell your channel cancellations continue across airports at Delhi. 68 departures and 69 arrivals have been cancelled. Let's go across to Hina, who's getting us more details. Only yesterday, the CEO of Indigo issued a statement. He said that operations have been normalized, but we still continue to get reports of cancellations and delays.
That's right, Swati. In fact, yesterday in another statement, the CEO of Indigo Airlines mentioned Indigo is back on its feet. Operations are stable. We're working round the clock. But still, what we are witnessing across airports is cancellations continuing. Let's tell you about what's happening in Delhi. At the Delhi airport, 137 odd flights, both arrivals as well as departures of Indigo Airlines were cancelled today. At Hyderabad airport as well, the situation is no different. At Hyderabad airport, Indigo's 37 departures were cancelled and 40 arrival flights were cancelled. So this clearly shows that, perhaps things are not still back to being absolutely normal. Yesterday at Delhi airport, there were about 152 cancellations. Today, there were 137 cancellations. Things are slowly limping back to normalcy, but it's not fully back to what it used to be earlier. And this is important because statements are being made that, Indigo is back on its feet. On the other hand, the government is also, mulling enforcement action against Indigo. Remember, in an exclusive interview to Times Now's Navika Kumar yesterday, the Civil Aviation Minister hinted at some kind of, sabotage. He didn't really use that word, but he said that there is something that is happening, that has happened. Perhaps it was intentional. That was the word that the Civil Aviation Minister used. And after the comprehensive report comes out, after the inquiry is over, then a proper action is going to be taken against all those who are responsible for this mess that led to inconvenience to lakhs of passengers. He also assured us that if need be, even the CEO will be asked to step down. So clearly, our interview has created ripples, and now what we are telling you is situation on the ground is not fully back to being normal. There are still cancellations that we are witnessing.
All right, Hina, thank you for getting us the details. And after a week-long Indigo crisis forcing hundreds of cancellations, the government cracks the whip. Government will hand over Indigo's 10% flight operations to other carriers. And the 10% share is no small chunk. It is equal to the combined passenger strength of Akasa and SpiceJet. Indigo currently holds a dominant 65% market share, followed by Air India at 26 to 27%, Akasa at over 5%, and SpiceJet remains at about 2%. Speaking exclusively to Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar, Civil Aviation Minister Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu confirmed, adding that not just this, prime routes will be taken away from Indigo.
Let me make one point very, very clear, that we are not leaving Indigo at all.
They are very accountable.
I
haven't seen, people haven't seen any action so far. What are you going to do?
We from the ministry have advised the regulator to cut down 10% of the operations.
That's not punishment enough.
10% of the operations in the prime routes. There are multiple things. This will act as a deterrent for them, also to encourage the competition and also to ensure the stability on operations.
After Times Now's Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar confronted the Aviation Minister, opposition turned up the heat, asserting that the government has been caught napping. Congress called it a big corruption matter and demanded Supreme Court monitored investigation.
अगर इंडिगो गुनहगार है तो बराबर की गुनहगार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार और नगर विमानन मंत्रालय। मैं आरोप लगाता, जिम्मेदारी के साथ आरोप लगाता हूँ, ये एक बड़ा खेल है। ये बहुत बड़ा आर्थिक घोटाला है। इसकी जांच सुप्रीम कोर्ट की देखरेख में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कोर्ट में इंडिपेंडेंट एजेंसी से हो जाए।
This is ridiculous. What about the responsibility on him? What is the responsibility of the Director General of DGCA? So you will put all the blame on the private entity. Who framed the guidelines? Who, without any kind of actions, made these rules, which is they withdrawn themselves? On what conditions you withdrawn them?
He said that there is no favoring of any particular airline, and in fact we have relaxed the FDTL norms only because so that there would be smooth functioning of the operations for Indigo Airlines.
When you become blind, you say that thing that I would have done this thing and that thing. You had allowed monopoly in the industry. You had finished many competition. Now you are saying that we will take action on CEO, we will do that, this. Who is responsible for the mistakes it has been done? They are not ready to answer that in Parliament. Let them answer with some times now.
This is like bolting the stable doors after the horses have left. The crisis has happened. This is a collective failure of the airline, Indigo primarily, of the DGCA and the ministry. The DGCA had given a directive about rest time for flying crew well in advance. Then they should have done an assessment of impact assessment on how this would impact the airlines. The airline knew this in advance and they should have geared up for this new regulation. But instead the airlines was applied for and got permission for 500 extra flights without increasing their flight crew capacity. The DGCA was aware of all this but did nothing. So this crisis is a collective failure of governance.
And why sacking? Sack the bloody Indigo airline. Okay. There should be heavy penalties against them. This is not the way that you do murder and get away with it.
Not just this, the aviation minister also hinted that Indigo crisis might have been created intentionally. Listen in.
We are going to do an in-depth review into this on how this kind of incident, and now Navika ji, this is not something which has been happening time and again. This is an incident which has cropped up at this specific point of time.
The reason it is unforgivable is because it was deliberate.
Yes.
The reason you believe this was deliberately done by Indigo? Are you convinced?
There seems to be some kind of intentional this thing. Let me come to that point, because the way they have been operating, the way they have control over their operations, this shouldn't have happened. Let me straight away place the fact that this is an incident which shouldn't have happened at all.
And then it was done intentionally.
Why has it come at that specific point of time? And how did it lead us into that situation? So this is something which we are thoroughly investigating. I want an in-depth review to be done, and that is what we are doing right now, and it will be followed by very strict and appropriate enforcement action.
Samajwadi Party MP Rajiv Rai says that aviation minister should quit immediately if he has a little morality, as he is solely responsible for this chaos. Listen in.
He should quit immediately if he has little moral feeling with him. He is the one who is responsible for all this mess, and I was the one who told him, I think more than 16 months back in this very same house. And if he says that DGC had passed an order and Indigo was not following that, means he is incapable of running his ministry. Exemplary action should be taken. So be it any airline or any, for that matter, organization, should not take passengers or citizens of this country for granted, and government should stop working for a particular individual or particular business house.